A balanced diet is the cornerstone of a healthy, happy pigeon. Proper nutrition affects every aspect of a bird's life, from feather quality and physical health to energy, behavior, and even lifespan. Unlike some pets, pigeons cannot thrive on a single type of food. They require a combination of grains, seeds, legumes, fresh produce, and occasional supplements to meet their nutritional needs. Understanding what constitutes a balanced diet and how to provide it is essential for any responsible pigeon owner. At the foundation of a pigeon's diet are grains and seeds. These provide essential carbohydrates for energy and the structural nutrients that support muscle and feather development. Common choices include millet, wheat, corn, barley, and sorghum. High-quality pigeon mixes combine these grains in ratios designed to reflect a natural diet while providing variety to prevent boredom and ensure diverse nutrient intake. Seeds, while calorie-dense and rich in fats, should be given in moderation to avoid obesity. Sunflower seeds, hemp seeds, and safflower seeds are popular additions but are best incorporated as part of a larger, balanced mix rather than the sole diet component. Legumes and pulses are another vital component. Peas, lentils, chickpeas, and beans supply protein, which is crucial for growth, tissue repair, and feather production. Proteins also support the development of the bird's immune system. Most commercial pigeon diets include dried legumes, but cooked or sprouted varieties can also be offered in small quantities, ensuring digestibility and nutrient availability. Fresh fruits and vegetables are essential for vitamins, minerals, and hydration. Leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and parsley are rich in vitamins A, K, and C, as well as calcium and iron. Carrots, pumpkin, bell peppers, and other colorful vegetables provide antioxidants and additional vitamin. Small portions of fruits like apples, berries, grapes, or pears supply natural sugars, fiber, and vitamin C. It is important to wash all produce thoroughly and cut it into manageable sizes to prevent choking. Fruits should be offered in moderation due to their sugar content. Calcium is critical for skeletal strength and, for breeding pigeons, egg production. Sources include cuttlebone, mineral blocks, or finely ground oyster shells. Calcium deficiencies can lead to weak bones, deformed beaks, or poor eggshell quality. Ensuring that pigeons have access to these supplements at all times allows them to self-regulate intake according to need. Grit plays an essential role in digestion. Pigeons lack teeth and rely on their gizzard to grind food. Insoluble grit, composed of small stones or granite, helps mechanically break down seeds and grains. Soluble grit, containing minerals such as calcium or iron, contributes to nutritional balance. Providing both types ensures healthy digestion and supports overall mineral intake. Fresh, clean water must always be available. Pigeons drink frequently, and water is necessary not only for hydration but also for digestion and feather health. Water containers should be cleaned daily, and water changed regularly to prevent contamination. Some pigeons enjoy bathing in shallow water, which aids feather condition and hygiene. Vitamin supplementation is important to round out the diet. Commercial pigeon mixes often contain added vitamins, but occasional supplementation with vitamin drops or powders can help during periods of stress, breeding, or illness. Key vitamins include A, D3, E, and B complex, all of which support immunity, growth, and feather development. Supplements should always be used according to manufacturer instructions to avoid overdosing. It is also important to adjust feeding based on age, activity, and breeding status. Young pigeons or squabs require higher protein intake to support rapid growth, while adult pigeons maintain moderate protein and energy requirements. Breeding pigeons need additional protein, calcium, and vitamins to ensure egg and chick health. Observation is key. Changes in appetite, feather condition, or weight can indicate dietary imbalances. Portion control is essential. Overfeeding, particularly with high-fat seeds, can lead to obesity, lethargy, and organ problems. Feeding several smaller portions throughout the day, rather than one large meal, mimics natural foraging behavior and supports digestion. Finally, consistency and variety are both critical. A balanced diet is not just about providing the right nutrients. It is about maintaining routine and avoiding sudden changes that can stress the bird's digestive system or lead to refusal of new foods. Introducing new seeds, vegetables, or fruits should be gradual, allowing the pigeon to adjust at its own pace. In conclusion, a balanced diet for a pet pigeon combines grains, seeds, legumes, fresh fruits and vegetables, mineral supplements, and clean water. Proper feeding supports physical health, mental well-being, and social behavior. Careful observation, gradual dietary adjustments, and attention to life stage requirements ensure that your pigeon remains healthy, active, and content, displaying the vitality and beauty that reflect a well-nourished life.